So I want to talk about the difference between what's normal and what's natural, because there is a distinct difference. If I was to say to you that on average in the UK, people spend 80 to 90% of their time indoors, you might say, well, that's normal. It's just how life is. It's what our parents have done. It's what our grandparents have done. We get by just fine. It's normal. But is it natural? Is it natural for a species that has emerged from the natural world, that is the natural world, that is life, to be surrounding themselves in an environment that is unnatural, that's not living, for the majority of their time? How does that change the picture? The problem with normal is it's not a useful factor, it's not a useful measure for anything, because it's constantly changing. It's not fixed, anything can be normalized. If you repeat and reinforce it enough, it just becomes normal. But what is natural, you can't change. It just is. So maybe start asking whether things are natural rather than normal, and you may start getting some more clarity.